Hello guys, here we have a XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I will tell you how you can perform a reverse image Google search on this device. So sadly we don't have a Google Lens here, so we have to do it by the web browser. So we have to open it now and go to google.com. Now it's a very important step, just enable a desktop site here. How you can see now we have a small camera icon and just click it. Now just upload the file and allow permissions. Now you can choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one. And how you can see now we are looking for this photo or similar photos in the Google. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.